In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front door panel on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the front door. Let's get started. Using a Phillips head bit, we're going to remove the screw in the door pocket. Remove the screw, grab the trim and pull straight up and pop it out. On the back side, we have our connector. There's going to be a tab on either side. Press on these tabs, pull straight back, and remove the window switch. Lift the handle up. Using a small pick, we're going to pull out on this plastic trim. Pop the cover out. We have one Phillips head screw. Go ahead and remove it. Grab the tweeter bezel and pull straight out. Pull it off of the door. We have a connector on the bottom of this. There's a tab right on my thumb. Push on that tab. Pull straight out and remove the trim piece. We're going to pop the door panel off of the door. We're going to put our fingers all the way at the bottom. You can use a trim tool and get in between the two and pop the clips, or just give it a nice swift pull straight out and pop the door panel. Lift straight up and remove the door panel. Remove the connector. Pop the cable out of the door handle, pull straight up, remove the cable. Do the same thing on the bottom. Pull the bottom cable out through the bottom and remove the door panel assembly. We're going to install the bottom cable first. This one's going to be white. It's going to push up into the bracket and then lock down. The second one will be the green. Lock that in, click it in on the top. Install this harness into the door panel. Set the door panel down on top of the window sweep and go around and push all of the clips in. Pull the window switch connector up and out of the door. Install the connector, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Drop the switch down into place, push in on the front and back. Install the Phillips head screw behind the door handle. Snug it down. Install the plastic trim plate. Push it into place. Install the Phillips head screw into the door pocket. Install the connector to the tweeter. Install the trim piece. There's a clip in the front right and then in the top. Make sure they both seat and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.